Emma, please.
J. What
But
made
for
it?
all the everybody.
What's up, Ghana, Africa, to the world? This is another episode on Good Vibe Show. And on this episode, we bring to you the Emancipation Vigil organized by the Xetoto Arts Festival. As the words imply, emancipation means liberation, and vigil being awake at a sleeping time. This street walk is to showcase and indicate our freedom as Black people. This is a walk from the Keta Municipal Hospital to the Fort Prinzenstein. Enjoy this episode and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like for more amazing content.
Bosco,